2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, fog lights, bed liner, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, compass, security system, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, overhead console, leather seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.